Good evening, students. In last class we have started learning the properties of solid, liquid and gas. We have learned two properties, shape and volume. Today we are going to discuss about few more properties. Third properties, arrangement of molecules. If we consider solid, liquid and gas, and if we draw them, the molecular arrangement, it is observed that in case of solid, molecules are very closely packed. That means there is very less space among the molecules. In case of liquid, molecules are loosely packed. That is, there are gaps or space among the molecules of liquid. In case of gas, molecules are very loosely packed. That means the molecules are far away from each other. All of you are requested to note down all these things in your fair notebook. Based on the third property, we are going to discuss about fourth property, that is intermolecular space. Intermolecular space means the gaps among the molecules of the substance. In case of solid, since the molecules are very closely packed, so we can say the gaps among the molecules are very less, that is least or negligible. In case of liquid, there are gaps among the molecules, so we can say the intermolecular space is medium or greater than solid substance but less than gaseous substance. And in case of gas, the molecules are far away, so we can say the intermolecular space among the gas molecule is largest. Next property, intermolecular force of attraction. That is attractive force working among the molecules. Due to this force, molecules of the substances are bound with each other. In case of solid, we can say the intermolecular force of attraction is strongest. Why? Because molecules are very closely packed. There is very less space among the molecule. That means attractive force working among the molecule is very high. That is strongest intermolecular force of attraction. In case of liquid, since there are gaps among the molecules, so we can say the intermolecular force of attraction is not very high, that is medium, or if we want to analyze it, we can say it is less than the solid substance but greater than the gaseous substance. In case of gas, molecules are far apart, so we can say the intermolecular force of attraction among the molecule is very less, that is least or negligible. Molecules are far away from each other. Next property, movement of molecules. This property depends on previous three properties, that means arrangement of molecules, intermolecular space and intermolecular force of attraction. In case of solid, since molecules are very closely packed, force of attraction is very high, so we can say molecules are not able to move. But it's not exactly correct. So what we will say? Molecules do not leave their space, that means they are not moving from one place to other place, but they vibrate against their mean position. That means vibration of molecules are observed in case of solid substance. In case of liquid, molecular movement is there. Molecules move freely, able to move freely. Why free? Because there are gaps among the molecules. But the direction is specific. Molecules of liquid move freely from higher level to lower level. And in case of gaseous substances, since there is very less force of attraction among the molecules and molecules are very far away from each other, so we can say molecules of gas move randomly and in all directions. At any directions they can move at any time. Next property that is related to the movement of molecules, that is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means energy possessed by the moving object. In case of solid, since only vibration is observed, no molecular other movement is observed, so we can say kinetic energy of the molecule is very less, that is least. In case of liquid, molecules are able to move but in specific direction and in low rate. So we can say kinetic energy of the liquid molecules is intermediate among solid and gas. And in case of gas, since molecules are able to move randomly in all directions, we can say kinetic energy of gaseous molecule is highest. We'll continue the remaining properties in next class.